Hello gaming army, how are you all? Here is Champ Shreyas for you who will upload a video. So guys, last time also we had played one arcade quick match. So today we'll do the same, and I'm thinking of putting one new video of that weekendy beta version which is just now there available. So the more the subscribers and comments I'll get, so then I'll upload the video. So please comment down that when I should upload the weekendy beta version. So today we are going to play solo arcade quick match. So now let's start. And guys, please subscribe to my channel if you like the video. So let's go. So here we are. The Pubg has made really have taken really great efforts to improve this game, and they have announced that many more updates are coming. Sorry guys, please excuse me for that. So we are landing here, and I team heaven is there, so I hope I could get a better loot here. First we'll go in that house, orange color roof. We are hunting for the root right now. Yeah, I got UZ right now. Fastest firing bullets in one place. God is calling, man. Someone is coming, and because when we play solo, no, it's easier. We have got your Groza. So let's go in another house. Sometimes in these small houses also you get very good loot. See, I've got your extended mag. One more house is there somewhere here. Yeah, there. You know guys, last time also when I had won the chicken dinner, same location we had come here. The same was the location. So I will go in that house. So I've got one medikit and one first aid kit. Go fast, man. I don't have time. I have time to play. Please, guys, excuse me for all these messages that my stupid friends are posting there. So let's go. Yeah, 5.56. No, I will not take. I have UZ, better gun. So now I'll go in the apartments there. First, let's go in this building here. Oh my god, I think here some shooting is going on in this building. Right besides another building. Go in, man. Want nice loot. Yeah, wow. I've got UMP. Extended mag, no. Smoke grenade is very necessary, guys, in the last circle. And I want backpack also. Not enough space. Leave it. I have smoke grenade. One smoke grenade I have. Now I'm hunting for my backpack somewhere here. Who is this bloody boy calling me every time? Yo. Arey yaar, I want a backpack. Where are you? Backpack. I'm not getting level 1 backpack also. Where are you, man? Let's go up for my backpack. First aid kit. Everything is there, but I don't have backpack only. Yeah. Whew. Thank God. I've got the backpack. Let's take everything. Here on the ground floor, I'd seen 2 flag grenade. So that grenade is also very important. And we are hiding in the grasses. Yeah, smoke grenade. So now let's go up. First we'll check here. Oh, wow. Ghilli suit I've got. You smoke grenade. I'll take Og. I think Og is better than Groza. Let's go up. I'm at the corner of the white zone. I'll take UMP. I have good ammo of UMP. Now I just want 5.56 bullets. Painkiller, let's take painkiller. Someone is there, guys. I can hear its footsteps. Drop all 90 bullets off. Let's go here. So many first aid kits are there. Oh, I'm sorry. So just now I'm on the corner right here. Shooting is going on. Let's see who is shooting there. I'll sit here. Take all frag grenade. My god, so many first aid kits I have. There is someone here, I think. Let's take bandages. This is the tallest building, but I have to run out of this zone. To go in the white zone, so I'm going there right now. Come on, jump. And yeah, go inside, man. So the doors are already open. So guys, means you have to guess that when all the doors open, someone is there already. Yeah, there also is someone is shooting there. So whenever all the doors are open, you can get some clue you can get that someone is there in this house. So whenever you go in the house, you should always close the doors. Let's go up. Someone is there or not? Someone is there in this house. I'll wait here. He's somewhere this side. Footsteps are getting darker and he's there. He also gave me a good damage. I'll first use my first aid kit. Come on, fast. Yeah. I'll take his loot, everything. Yeah, therefore he gave me more damage because he had Groza. Energy drink. Bandages. So let's now get into the zone. That building is there in the zone. So I've jumped and I'm running. Yeah, so I've entered. Go fast, man. What are you doing? Jump. Jump. Yeah. Yes. So now I'm in the zone right now. Yeah. I'm perfectly in the zone. You can see in the minimap here. So two. So only one guy is alive. I'll use all my energy drinks and all, so that my health will increase. Use all. So guys, whenever you die, you should use every means whatever you have, because after once you die, what is the use of keeping all the things? Where is he, man? I'll use everything which I have, painkiller, you know. Yeah, he's there. Oh my god, oh my god. He was there. I thought he was in that building. So guys, please, if you like this video, please subscribe. I've just made it for your fun. So the more you comment and subscribe, the more motivation I'll get, and I'll post more new videos for you. So next time I'll post weekendy gameplay of weekendy for you. So thank you guys for watching this video, and bye bye.